today I'm first going to explain the user canvas. So first I am targeting on a transport sector. So in transport sector, basically there are here I have written a user of transport sector like a car driver, jeep driver. Also we can write a traffic police. And here is the section of stakeholders. The stakeholder means the person or the company which are directly or indirectly connected to the transport sector. So here I have written auto company, RTO, traffic control system, motor driving school and a road management system. Then here I have mentioned the activities related to user. So while a user can drive the car in rainy season, he is also listening music, watching video, charging mobile phone, eating foods, talking on mobile phone, route mapping. These all are the activities done by the user. Here I have written the story. The story might be happy or sad, which is related to transport sector.
So in this I am going to explain ideation canvas. So now our basic topic is prevent an accident in rainy season. So here also people is mentioned as per the user canvas. So we are very close to people which is totally related to the our basic topics prevent an accident in rainy season. So we have mentioned different type of drivers, vehicle drivers, car driver, truck driver, jeep driver, and general means students, bus driver, which are all related to the accidents and rainy seasons driving. Okay, so second one is the activity. So basically for which activity we are facing this type of problem, like driving, traveling, touring. So during this type of activities we have to face different type of weather like rainy season. So in this activity we have to face accidents. That's why we are making some solutions according to this. Now here we have to mention situation, context and location. So according to which situation we have to face a different type of accidents in rainy season. Location also. So same as here we mention hill station, RTO, which is also a part of location. Raining, foggy weather, atmosphere, which is related to location or situations. Colleges, offices, means all location we have mentioned here. Now last one is the possible solution. So basic topic is prevent an accident. So to make a solution, what are the possible solution which we can make? So we have mentioned all type of the possible solution, not particular one solution, but all the solution is mentioned here, like controller system, anti-braking system, automatic wiper system, foggy weather control system, automatic climate system, GPS system, means all the possible solution we have mentioned.
So our product is related to transportation system, and as we know, every product has its own purpose, users and experience. So here I am explaining the product development canvas. So first of all, the purpose of our product is to prevent accident in rainy season. So a user can get a better service and better features while driving. And the people which are using this product is car driver, bus driver, truck driver, and all the people related to driving. The experience which they face is the safe driving and the comfort driving by using this product. The product functions are automatic wiper control using sensors. So by sensing this rain intensity, the wiper works and it's called the automatic wiper. The product features are weight detector, rainfall detector and transparent wiper. Basically right now transparent metal is invented, it's transparent aluminum, or we can use the transparent rubber. And the weight detector, which is used for the to detect the amount of water logged at the bonnet of the car. So by that we can include these features. And the components which are used in this product is light emitting diode, photo detector, transparent metal like as I said aluminum, weight sensor, transparent rubber, and controller. Controller is to use to control all the system by one single code. And the next is customer revalidation. When we go through our product and we explain this product to customer, they gave the suggestion that what if the dust particles are on the face of the car. Then we have to revalidate our product. So the revalidation components are detector for the dust particle and the solution for the foggy atmosphere. So these are the two revalidation components, and we have to redesign on this. So this is the basic of the product development canvas.